Tell me why I agreed to an appointment there 10 o'clock on a Sunday when I just woke up. Why? Guys, well, let's can't judge, let's come mad at me. But guys, who get to be very rich at the I don't know why I agreed to a 10 o'clock appointment. And I can't take this off. Let me quickly rush. Wait. Hello, hi, Dumelang, Bagolo. Welcome back. Yeah, hey, it's been a while. I don't know what I'm doing, but I know that I'm doing it because I feel like doing it. I'm in the mood of doing it. I want to challenge myself to do this. So I am actually going to be very intentional by doing this. Yeah, if I am not dressed appropriately. My intentions for today, Vela, were not to leave like this, but I ended up saying, if I don't do it, I'm not going to do it. So I guess I'm doing it. And today, if you get back on board with this YouTube thing and trying it again. So I'm trying it again. Please try it with me again. Try. Yeah, but as I wanted to say, I'm gonna be rambling and I don't want that. So I'm gonna try to this thing very, very short. Today I went for a treatment, a mini pedi, as you saw, or as you're about to see. I don't know, either or. It would depend on the editing. And then from there, Gemo Colonnade Market right now because I need a few things. But and because sorry, I'm watching what's happening behind me. So because I think it's glue manala, and then for me I need to also get a cover my phone because this life I'm living is very risky. I didn't intend to leave the house like this. At this moment in time, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna leave the way I am, and it's currently very hot, like very jazzy at this moment in time. And when I left the house, it was very gloomy. It didn't look like it was gonna look like what it's looking like right now. So yeah, let me cut the rambling, quickly go, get a few things, and leave. I had actually plans to go out today, treat myself to a young date, Diana, and what, but I don't have the energy because like good lady like the offside. The man but go through a lot, guys. Pray for each other, be kind to each other because I hope like and there's no way around that. So yeah, let's quickly do this. Hush. So right now, going through a lot because I'm looking for a screen protector and a case for my phone. And then up to 300 and it demands about 300. Boyfriend. So at this point I feel like Henga Dumelang Lena Katabarnagna boyfriend because it's not like in Alena. Oh, I go to a price. Kabang, he takes it for phone. For cover phone. Okay, this is me blabbing and venting, but you are a niggerlim toozing, but only toozing one hand. Hello. How are you?
Fine, you?
How much is your nail do?
It's very cheap.
Because terrible job, Bagolo, at vlogging. I come back. But actually, it's very justified because when I'm in there, I don't have time to be vlogging because I negotiate, I discount, I fukutsa, I sechana, I thalusetsana. Next time, my friend, you see, next time when I come back, I will pay you. So I managed to get this nail glue for Batswadi, and I think it was about well, my 60 rand, that's what he said. I'm like, not 45 when I 60 ga utlwa na go hanetse, but because when all the people are smart and recono bolela le bona 5 minutes old. One thing about me, nga so tswa fele ke itse bolela shem ke bolela thatane, and I don't mind talking to people. Go bolela le wena until utlwa ntho nna ke bolela nga yona ro utlwana. So siyabonga, my friends, siyabonga. Other than that, I also got the pouch for my phone and the screen protector. I don't know how you're gonna see it, but I'm guessing as the video progresses, there's gonna be glimpses where you catch it, modi peeling, where, how. But I got that also. Right now, I am tired. I actually wanted to, like, my plans for today when I woke up was that I'm gonna get my nails done and then I'm gonna get some makeup on, go Goddess Cafe, have a dining session. Not even a dining session. Do we dine Montar? I think it's the same thing. Okay, go Goddess Cafe, have a young brunch going on there. I couldn't, because why did I agree to a 10 o'clock nail appointment? Why? And I woke up at around 8:30. The time for everything was not going to be there. So I decided to be humbled and I admitted defeat where I'm defeated. I did what I could do for today, and that's where we're ending for now. I'm going back home. I'm actually quite hungry, so let me see if Loringa says I'm tshwara mothopo ka kra di jonyana and go back home. Re tla tshwarana mo tseleng. This is delaying the process, child. Mabona imfakela stress. I think. Hi. Hello, hi, Dumelang Bagolo. I hope you have been good. Nothing but good blessings. I don't know where to look. It's weird. It will take some getting used to, but it's a learning curve. We shall do it together. Okay, so basically today, or for the next few days, I am going on a Solocation. I think that's how they put it, or that's how they call it. Girl has been going through a lot, and girl needs time to herself. So by the blessings of God, we are going to use words at our disposal to actually get a breather. I'm currently on my way to Bella alone, so that basically means I cannot be vlogging and driving at the same time, which is not advisable either way. If there was someone else that was going with me, they would be vlogging and doing all the other things. I'll try sneak peek a few things here there, but for now I just came out of Meat World, or for now, yeah, Meat World. I don't know, but in between the from or came or going, there's clips of me actually at Meat World. I wanted a braai pack. Isn't braai pack, but a braai pack. I just learned about this yesterday, so I'm flexing right now. Braai pack in the sense that I want voroso, chaka, chicken, like that combo. A braai pack. Isn't braai pack? Braai pack. So I can have a young braai session going on. I'm contemplating between driving straight from here. I'm currently more vulnerable. Do we call this whole place vulnerable? Because yeah, no, I'm near Kota Joe, vulnerable, somewhere macro, in between Kota Joe and macro. That's where I am. I think I've shown you the place. It's Lavender Square. Yeah, I'm in Lavender Square. So from here, it's either I drive to Vulnerable Junction because I need an ATM. I am not sure if this e-tag works. And I don't want to find out I don't want to find out there. Biggest problem is that I don't have a credit card and I don't think they take the Visa card for swipes go the toll gating. So it's between me going to Vonnerbom Junction, then I would not need to stop when I get to Bela Bela for pickups of food and stuff because I would have picked up grocery here. Or I don't know, let's just figure it out together. That was just me saying hi. It's quite late. I was actually supposed to be gone around 2, but it's 3 o'clock. I'm still in Pretoria. I had a lot to do go Merogong, and I think you might have seen a clip of some sceneries when I go the Sheriff Yako Northeast. That place looks so beautiful. Like if they want to sell that place and make it a spa, I would agree. So I'm a bit late. I'm gonna be stuck in traffic if I don't leave Pretoria right now. But I'm also afraid of the fact that by the time I get that side, shops will be closed. So I might as well do my bid this side and then be stuck in traffic knowing I have everything I need and I would not need to go to shopong. It's exciting as compared to me going shopping in familiar places like our jokers in Torrepo, Mopidoria North, but they actually do it. I actually witnessed a very tragic thing, but I'll tell you all about it once we get home. Let me love and leave for now. So until then, Tswara fela bjao. Tswara fela bjao. Saskipa, Tswara fela bjao. Hi. I don't know braai pack. It's like ela braai pack actually like maravoro so chaki chicken. Pani mo train e wa nyana something like that or taking you one. Yeah. Thank you. It's ngelo manje khalim fedit. Sorry. How are you? Can I please have 50 rand of this? Yeah, it's okay. Are these nice? Yes, please. Of that. Let's go judge on the mess in the car. Let's go minute me guys. This is just my traveling snacks. I got salami sticks, quite reasonable. Biltong, yeah, 50 rand. That is a lot for one person. If my younger sister is seeing this, she's probably mad at me right now. So hurry, I'm sorry. I'll try to come back with it. But yeah, that's the mess from work. My shoes, e-tag. This card basically needs donation at Kawash, but let's not get into it right now. Love and leave again. Love and leave. Love and leave. Wait, I'm realizing something now. This thing, this whole process is the reason why I am becoming late. Because in as much as I want to vlog, I'm not comfortable with people seeing me vlog. I'm not comfortable with the gadget that I'm holding, because also I witnessed someone so I'm a bit shaken. Oh my god, let me catch a breath. Wait. Yeah, but I finished picking up a few things. Most importantly, in case this e-tag does not work, I'm about to leave Pretoria. All the best. I might see you here, the grooving, jiving along to the music. Have a playlist, a nice set playlist for the driving. Mamzo was complimenting my hair at the shops, and I'm like, Mamzo, thank you, because I needed to hear that. Because this hair is still new to me. It shocks me. This color shocks the living daylights out of me. So when Mamzo said, listen, child, I love your hair, she got me all hyped up. So thank you, mother. I think it's cool. I don't know. Can't I put you here? Let's see. Mother was like, child, you look good. I'm like, Pam, first of all, I don't even know who Pam is. But Hasi Pam, Mamzo, Hasi Pam, get curling cream ya came to, so it looks like the colors are deactivated. I don't know if you guys can see it from here. I get you ready baby hair. I get a hairline, twisty face hairline, but guys, give a little cut. What I'm realizing about myself, give a little cut. Okay, I need water. I need potable water. Driving snacks. Road trip. Here we come. Sela to Billa Billa, here we come. Father God, we thank you, we pray. Amen. Yes, also, I saw, like, the boyfriend that I'll not be like, guys. I saw, when I got here, I saw a nice looking gent. Fine gent. Fine gent. I greeted, we passed because of Rajahile. But anyway, to all your fine gents, hi. Would like to say that. Other than that, where are the car keys? Let me love and leave, child. Bye for now. Fast forward. What's that, child? Because I've passed the welcome to Limpopo board, so that means we're quite close. But look how stunning this is. This looks so beautiful. The scenery is what I live for. This is genuinely guys, wow, this looks so beautiful. Hello, hi, Dumelang, hello, back, I'm back again. It's now 5:30. 5:30? No, it doesn't make sense. It's 4:30 from the last time we spoke when I was in Pretoria. I think I was go Vonnerbom Junction or 11. Yeah, Vonnerbom Junction. From Vonnerbom Junction. I'm currently at Bella Mall. That was quite quick, actually. The highway was quite easy. Smooth sailing, pulayana, yes, but we are all quite cautious. Accident there, so it was a nice quick flow. I'm currently going to look for. But I am going to look for a few things for my stay, because I'm 40 minutes from my place for my Solocation location. So I'm gonna look for a few things. In terms of di bansinyana, di marshmallownyana, I have meat, le chakalaka, and all that. So what I would need is something for breakfast tomorrow. Would probably be motohoa thing, right? So I probably need snacks, maybe some fruits, juicy. I'll see, but a few things that I can work with. Then sihamba manje. And I also need to look for dinner. I'm not gonna cook. I'm not gonna cook. Let me quickly. It's between McDonald's and Nando's, but let's be healthy. Nando's would work. Let me love and leave. I just finished picking up some few things. Moshobong. I need McFlurry, so I'm gonna order that. I'm gonna get that. Like, this is passion fruit what. This is the first time I hear this. I see this and taste this. Kenale shock. What the fuck? This tastes so good. Right, my child. Turn right. Hello. Hello.
In 1.1 kilometers, turn left onto Marula Road.
Actually, if you feel at this point, like, like a shabuga and I go cozy. Kitty Blaga, no. Kitty Blaga. Hi, guys. Look at that. I am already sightseeing. Which animal is this? If I book a game drive in time. Oh my god. Hi. You have seen this before, ne? Believe me, you have seen this before on my vlogs. But seeing it now feels like I'm seeing it from a different lens because I'm at a different space right now. So, child, this is everything and more. Okay, my outfit is not change shoes, but hello, hi, Dumelang Baholo. Wow. Good morning. I don't know where we left off yesterday, but today is currently Thursday, the 3rd of November. I just woke up and it looks like a better swimming cap, but one of the bonnet should have stick to my life here to go. But yeah, I just woke up. I actually had thought that I'd go game driving today, but it's quite cloudy, like Pulayona, basically. And you know how but you know how most of the bookings, or I'd assume you'd know how most bookings, when you make bookings, they say it's non-refundable. So whether or not Pulayana, they still expect you to pitch up because when they'll pitch up, so I'm like, yeah, no, I'm not gonna flash my money like that. Let me just stay indoors. So I'm gonna have breakfast, a young breakfast, nothing hectic, and then take a shower because I saw lots of housekeeping outside. So I don't know if they were waiting for me because I was still sleeping. On JJ, they just put them there. Like, I don't know what's going on, but I wanted to eat before Bakatsena and then maybe shower before Batsena also, so that by the time Bagolo Maka first spacey and go. Ad free. Bali free. I don't think it's comfortable for people to be cleaning. I wouldn't be comfortable with cleaning and someone is here because it's like, yo, like look like hatile or give it busy. A lot of things, a whole lot of things. But yeah, let's see how this day goes. I mean, I've been to this place before and I don't want to speak a lot, like, so I have 30 seconds left. But yeah, I've been to this place before, so I'm not going to do the whole room tour thing. You guys will see it along the way. I think you'll see it along the way, and also I will put the link of the previous vlog in which I did a full room tour of this place. But for now, it's just clips and pieces that you'll see it. What I'll put also in this description box is the booking link for this place. For now, hurrying. So these are the shoes that I bought yesterday, goalies. I love them. I don't want to lie. I love them. I have been contemplating hoodie reka, but yesterday I was like, if I don't do this, I'll never do it. I will never do it. They feel so comfortable. They look so cute. I love them. Love them loads. Love them loads. Game Tagaba. This is how your girl looks. A mess. A hot damn ass, child. Still look cute though. Still look cute. Is the shoes for me, child? Is the shoes for me, child? Ah, tati ya kaya bona hala ke la bona. Yo, ba mo pleke ba tlo bona rona ke bya mo duka. But anyway, this is the view from the other room. Because I'm here alone, there's absolutely no one here. Okay, I messed up here. I took the throw yakamo to go watch TV because I was cold. Yes, I'm that girl that watches Libizang. The murder what. Guys, so another thing, now this squirrel. The squirrel. And another squirrel so I've been avoiding unattended. Those are the housekeeping things I told you about. To which I don't know what by Mezina or Rinsa. I get Magundani, I'm Dina Hague. Magundana Mona Hague. Child. Shit is ghetto. Shit is cute. Shit is ghetto. Yeah, let me make breakfast. My love.
May I take your order?
Let's go have a quick shower. A very quick shower, not a bath. Definitely not a bath, but a very quick shower. Hi. So I just quickly had to dash out of the place. I guess I'm an unprepared speech, but I blame it on myself because they asked me what time they should come back. I said 11. So I just decided, let me just leave, keep a first space, okay? And I will go to the restaurant, or I will take a self-game drive around the reserve. Maybe I'll see something, maybe I'll not. But this is time for me to actually be with me. I need to be with me. I need to drive myself through my journey, process a lot of things that I've compressed, I've never gotten to process with Mother Nature. That's my type of jam. So let's do that. Burner boy, is it plenty? It's plenty, yeah. I love it. I don't know what exactly, but I'm vibing with it. I want to spend my days on enjoyment. No awala. Is that how they say it? If I'm saying it wrong, please forgive me. Cha, the sun is beaming. I should have booked the game drive for today. Should have done that. Lona, kafia. Guys, I am burning. I'm literally burning up. But I saw a board that said Ingwe private pool or something like that. I don't think I should necessarily be here. But because Dora the Explorer is who I am, I want to go check this out. But I also think this is a bad idea. You know why? There is a board that says, I'm going to show it to you. Disclaimer, baba. Wild animals, right? And reptiles. The demons about reptiles, a snake. And I can't be mad at them, or I can't be mad at the snakes because let me show you. Let me actually get out of this car because and see what's going on before I jump out. I'm not supposed to be here. Game. I wanna the own risky indemnity ban reptiles you're not problem. Hey, green. I get over. Yo, even the way I'm walking, they are animals. Okay, breathe. It's just animals. You guys will receive just say for tag. Maragay. I mean, it's not too late for me to turn back. Because snakes in the city, oh, this was a bad idea. The shoes were definitely a bad idea. This is what it looks like. This looks cute. Oh, you can see from there. That's chill. Quite chill. Oh shit.
Language.
Sorry.
No, go forward. Wait,
I did not die. I got up there and I did not die. There were no reptiles, no nothing. No, nothing. It was actually nice. The view was nice. Dora the Explorer wins again. Balance. You see here when you walk down, when you're walking down the hill, you must position yourself in such a sense that reverse. I don't know how to explain it. Maybe if I show it to you. Wait. Oh, it's my time. I want to spend them on enjoying. I just made a U-turn there because as I was going through the bushes, I was realizing, Kiwan, like I'm going deep into the wilderness alone. I'm not prepared. Like it's because I'm going deep within mountains. I'm alone. This is not like a Ranger car. This is a small Pidgey Hyundai. How the fuck am I gonna explain myself to God when He sees me? Bathong busy ka braya molane bona fear factor e thoma ona ka mko ke busy ka braya voroso tsa mafello Jesu fear factor. Thank you kalkhopela, thank you kalerata. This looks beautiful, but child, come on, the sounds behind me, like you know what ko patraka ke di animal here. Aholo yo rutshwere bothata. I am genuinely tired. I had thought that Goira Dibanse Namamawi Chagalaka Lusop. I can't. I am tired, Gilapile, with everything in me to the T. The best I can do for myself right now, Dibansile nama. Call it a night. What time is it? Oh, good to watch. Snap. I can't even tell you what. No, but when I say like 3, so 3, 4, 4, 5. It's around 5, like 5 past 5. Legele go ntle na go elama bona tsamaile ke cheats ke rile braai ke gwadisetsa ke di mala ke re le bone. So it's been a long day. I need to sleep quite early, so this is me saying good night. I will see you tomorrow morning. We've missed out on a lot, like me eating and stuff. Mara, it's the zam that we are thankful for. It genuinely is. I'm currently drinking hot water because I feel constipated. I think it's so I need a lot of green tea. They don't have green tea restaurant thing, and I try to look for it. So I can't wait to get home tomorrow just to make myself a huge pot of green tea. I genuinely can't wait.
But I swear to God, I didn't intend to hurt her.
That video may seem damning.
Nearly broke a nail. Fuck.
May I take your order?
Hi, Bagolo, hi. Look at that. I am standing at the edge of Mother Nature. Neta must be very careful because of that beware of hippo kind of thing. Because I'm assuming if a hippo comes here, just right underneath where I'm standing, it's going to kakhala this thing and I will be seeing flames. But I am enjoying this. I am trying to get this wooden bench to swing. This is the best I can do. Because wow, I cannot explain this enough. This is a needed break. I look fine, thanks, child. I look fine, thanks, and lovely. I look content. It's because I feel all those things. I feel content. I feel fine, thanks, and lovely. I needed to be by myself. I got that. And I get happy. Be happy. Don't know aba. Ke thabile bagolo. Thank you. Tlatsa budu ngwana go hae o tsenetsela o bethelwa ke moya o le one.